back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and as you can see from the title, what this video is about, this is about this nice ice blonde hair. Yes, I made this color and I made this wig by myself. This will be one of my wig collection. As I had mentioned in my previous video, if you did not watch it, go ahead and watch it right now or after this video. But this video is how I got this nice ice blonde hair, and I did it all by myself. It wasn't hard. This is the first time I ever in my life wear a hair like this, and it's the first time in my life I ever color a hair like this. So this is new to me, but it turned out very well. If I'm too far, I just want to show you how this hair look on me. It's so pretty. I think this is like a 18 inch. I think this is an 18 inch if I'm not mistaken. But this is a custom made frontal, and I am so excited to show you how I got this wig color. And this will be one of my wig collection that will be coming up very soon, guys. Please be patient. I have so many wigs to make. I will be having a wig collection, and also my website will be linking down below. Go ahead and check it out. I do have a lot of hair that I'm selling right now, and you guys can purchase right there at my website. But yeah, guys, I love it so much. This is so pretty, and I'm going to show you how I got this color. And you could do it at home. You don't have to go to no professional to get your hair color done. You could do it at home. Just take your time and you'll be fine. But before we get started into this video, don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below, and also turn on that bell, because that's the notification, because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Yes, guys, I do upload 3 days a week, so don't forget to click that bell, because you will be notified as soon as I upload. So click that bell, okay? Click it now. So yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, guys, so let's get started in this tutorial. I'm going to use my Wella toner T14, and I think I have like 4 to 6 pack. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my Clairol 30 developer, and you have to read the instruction, because what it say on the back of the toner is that you have to mix 1 part of the Wella to 2 part of the 20 developer. You could use 20 or 30 or whatever you want to use. This is what I'm using, and I'm going to pour the Wella in, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour the 30 developer twice, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing until all of my Wella toner is completely into the container. So right now it's very liquidy, so take your time while you're mixing it up. But I'm going to go ahead and mix it up until it's completely dissolved. So now you can see that it's completely dissolved, and it get a little bit thick. So you can see how thick it get when you mix it all in. Then yeah, go ahead and put your gloves on. You need your glove, because this is a it's kind of like a bleach and stuff like that. So you got to make sure that you secure your hand. Then you're going to go ahead and get your hair. This is my 613 hair from my website, prestigehumanhair.com. The link will be down below in the description box, and this is a this is an 18 inch hair, and I already made the wig and all of that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and part the section off where I want to do first, then I'm going to catch it up. So afterwards, I'm going to section off the hair, and I always start from the back. So when I do, I take my mixer, then I start from the ends. I always start from the end anytime I'm coloring hair or anything like that. So I'm going to start from the end and work my way all the way up, and make sure that you ladder that hair, like get all the way into that hair. So make sure you have enough so that you don't run out and all of that. So go ahead, rub it in, brush it in, do whatever you want to do, but make sure it get all the way in. So now you see the first one I did is already toning. So, it's good to just go a little bit faster and all of that stuff, because you don't want to have a different toner on, the hair. You want to have the same thing. And just take your time, but, move a little bit faster. And I'm even going all the way up into the weft because I don't want no two-tone hair color. I don't want no 613 and then the toner here. I want it all to be in one. So go in, go all the way up to the weft. So right here, I'm just showing you how it's toning really fast. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed this process up, then wait for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and wash it out, and I'll be right back. So now that it's all washed out, it's conditioned and all of that stuff, I'm going to go ahead and air dry it. This is what I always do. And this is it, how it's wet. It's not really showing the true color. So you gotta wait until it's completely dry to see it. So I'm gonna go ahead, do what I gotta do and make it air dry. And then when it's all dry, I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so my makeup is on fleek and all of that stuff. I did do a tutorial on that, so make sure you check it out. So this is the inside of the wig. I did use my makeup and just to match my skin tone, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. Make sure that you have a stocking cap that matches your skin tone, just so that it could look more natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and I'm just gonna fix it up. And as you can see how it's kind of blending in already, because I put the powder and I also have a wig cap that matches my skin tone. So it's best to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix it, comb it out, but pretty much that's it guys. I did not glue it down because I just want to do this for the video. After the video is done, I'm just gonna pull it off my hair. So I didn't really glue it down, but pretty much that's it guys. It looks so pretty. As you can see how it's dry. I love this color so much. It matches me to the T. And yeah guys, this will be on one of my wig collection very soon. And as you can see, the roots are all pretty and nice. But pretty much that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about this video and this hair. And pretty much that's it guys. Don't forget to tune in every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday for more video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.